Let's dive into what this channel is all about. Boating, fishing, and Key West. So why these three things? Well, stick around to find out. Worked on boats, maintained boats, played on boats, and now live on a boat. Had 19 of them over 35 years. Diesel, gas, center consoles, express, inboard, outboard, big, small. So I'd like to think I know a little bit about boats. Been in the fishing industry since 2010. Sold pretty much everything you would need for a day on the water. Rods, reels, line, lures, and millions of fishing reel parts. Even though I'm not reeling them in myself, I guess you could still say I know a little bit about fishing. And finally, after traveling on our boat for 3 years, we are now docked in paradise, Key West. After plenty of exploring over the past year, we know a little bit about Key West, but there's still so much more to check out, and that's what we'll be doing. So let's dive a little deeper into exactly what it is that you'll find here. Well, mostly me talking or fixing and sometimes playing, and some special guest appearances by my wife, who is usually behind the camera. Let me start by saying we aren't going to be showing you amazing cinematic drone footage of our epic travels or videos of our daily lives. While we did have an amazing time traveling by boat for a few years, honestly, our journey would pale in comparison to some of the people that you're probably already watching. So, sorry, no drone shots here. We will be focusing more on the basics of owning, maintaining, and fixing our boat. I wanted to live on a boat ever since Sonny Crockett and his pet alligator Elvis did in Miami Vice. Okay. Don't judge me. I know I'm showing my age. Well, we did it. Gave everything away and moved on to our Sundancer 3 years ago. We had to downsize our lives quite a bit to do so since we live on a 50-foot express-style boat. Typically, not the first choice of full-time living, but we loved this model ever since it was introduced in 2005. So we made it work. It was actually really easy to adapt to small space living. We will share how-to videos for projects we've tackled, maintenance routines, recommended products, safety tips, and basic boating skills. And of course, we'll show you the fun stuff too. We will take you with us to explore the pristine waters of Key West as we head to some great sandbars and reefs, dinghy rides around the historic seaport, and to Mallory Square to watch the nightly sunset celebration. Okay, so what about fishing? Are we going to show you videos of us reeling in 200-pound tuna or marlin? Nope. But I will be sharing some do-it-yourself reel repair tips and techniques, help with part identification, reel upgrades, installation, compatibility, and talk about the latest and greatest Penn reel models and which lures are getting the bite. 16 years of selling fishing gear for just about every popular brand: Penn, Shimano, Abu Garcia, Newell, and Daiwa, just to name a few. I've taken apart thousands of reels over the years, and I know the ins and outs. After streamlining our business 3 years ago, we now focus on two main product lines: new Penn reel parts and smooth drag Carbon-Tex replacement washers. And finally, the third thing we'll cover on this channel, our favorite part of living on a boat in Key West is, drumroll please, Key West. We've been asked about 100 times what it's like to live on a boat in Key West. So we'll be sharing our experiences, the good, the bad, and the awesome. It's paradise. It has a relaxed but energetic vibe, filled with adventure, beauty, history, entertainment, stunning sunsets, awesome restaurants, festivals, key lime pie, and most of all, water, water, and more water. When we step off the boat, we usually head downtown to Duval Street. Stretching from the Gulf to the ocean and spanning the entire island, the 1.25-mile street is easily walkable. The world-famous Duval Street is filled with shops, restaurants, art galleries, and museums. It's also the heart of Key West's vibrant nightlife and party vibe with iconic bars like Sloppy Joe's, Hog's Breath, Captain Tony's, and the Green Parrot. And let's not forget about the Chart Room, a favorite hangout for Key West legends like Jimmy Buffett and Mel Fisher. Tune in as we explore our hometown by land and by water and see what makes Key West, the southernmost point in the U.S., so special. So if you like boating, fishing, or Key West, please subscribe so you'll be notified when we post our next video. Thank you for watching and drop a comment. Catch you next time at Anchors Up Key West.